Hello everyone. Do you know what's working even when you sleep, dream, run, dance, and study? It's your incredible brain, your body's very own supercomputer. Today we are going inside your head to discover how this 3 pound organ controls everything you do. Ready to explore the most powerful machine in the world, your brain? Let's go. Meet your brain. Your brain is soft, wrinkly, and shaped like a walnut. But don't let its looks fool you. It controls everything, from blinking your eyes to solving math problems. Let's meet the team inside your brain. First is frontal lobe. It says, I help you plan, think, and make decisions. I'm your boss brain. The next one is parietal lobe. It says, I handle touch, temperature, and space. Ouch, that was hot. Third is temporal lobe. I let you hear and remember sounds. Music, anyone? Next is occipital lobe. I help you see. I'm your brain's camera. Cerebellum. I keep you balanced like a tightrope walker. And the last one is brainstem. I control heartbeat and breathing 24/7. Fun fact, your brain has over 86 million neurons. That's more than all the stars you can see in the sky. Now let's talk about neurons, the brain's messengers. Neurons are tiny messenger cells. They carry signals like text from your brain to your body and back. Neurons talk using electrical signals and chemical messages like email plus delivery boy. Now do this. Touch your nose with your eyes closed. That's your brain sending a message in less than a second. Fun fact, your brain sends signals at over 400 km per hour, faster than a Formula 1 car. Left versus right brain. Left brain says, I love logic, language, and numbers. On the other hand, right brain says, I'm all about imagination, music, and colors. Now, here is a mini challenge for you. Which side are you using when you solve a puzzle? What do you think? Yes, it's the left side of the brain. When you draw a sunset, right side of the brain. And when you sing a song, yes, again, right. When you write your name, left. Fun fact, both sides always work together like a great team. Now let's talk about memory, your brain's filing cabinet. Ever remembered your friend's birthday or the taste of pani puri? That's memory. Your brain stores millions of memories like a giant library. Some last forever, some fade. Short term memory means just for now, like remembering a phone number briefly. Long term memory, on the other hand, is saved forever, like riding a bike. Fun tip, want to remember better? Then you need to sleep well, repeat often, and eat brainy foods like walnuts and almonds. Fun fact, the hippocampus is the brain's memory manager. And do you know that it is shaped like a seahorse? Now let's talk about senses and the brain. Instant reactions. Your brain is like a DJ mixing inputs from your five senses sight, smell, touch, hearing, and taste to decide what to do. For example, smell of chocolate, happy memory. Touching ice, move hand quickly. Fun fact, your brain can process an image in 13 milliseconds, faster than you can blink. Now let's talk about reflexes. Sometimes your body reacts before you even think. That's called a reflex. Reflex path is skin, then spinal cord, then muscles move, and then brain goes, what happened? Try this. Drop a ruler and catch it fast. Your reflexes are in action. Now, what happens when you sleep? Even when you're sleeping, your brain is busy. It cleans waste, stores memories, and dreams. Fun fact, your brain creates dreams to help you learn and feel emotions, like a nightly movie theater. Now, are you ready for some fun brain facts and quiz? Your brain runs on electricity. It uses 20% of your energy, even though it's only 2% of your weight. It feels no pain. That's why doctors can operate on it while you are awake. Now, mini quiz. What's the brain's balance center called? It is cerebellum. What sends messages in the brain? Neurons. Which side is for art? Right brain. What stores long term memory? Hippocampus. What organ never sleeps? Yeah, that is brain. Now, a quick recap. So, remember, your brain is your supercomputer. It helps you think, move, dream, and feel. Treat it well, sleep, eat smart, and stay curious. And finally, next time when you do something amazing, thank your brain. Stay smart, stay kind, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.